Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of English version 11, Assalamu alaikum. Now we will discuss about important topics on work from physics first paper and chapter 5. To understand the basic concept about work clearly, especially for the weaker students, we will try to discuss on work into two steps. First of all, the definition, basic definition of work. The primary definition: if we apply force on an object and if there is displacement of that object, then the product of force and the displacement along with the force direction is known as work. But this definition is for the maximum work. So let us discuss in black and white, then we will be clear about the concept of work. So now we will discuss about work. Suppose here is an object. Suppose here is an object. The object is P here. We have applied force on that object F, and it has been displaced along with AB direction. Now finally the position of object P is at position B, and the displacement along with the force direction AB, here suppose S meter. So according to the basic definition of work, if we apply force, if a force is applied on an object and if there is displacement of that object, then the product of force and the displacement along with the force direction or force line is known as work. So here the applied force is F on the object P along with AB direction and along with the force line, and the displacement here is from A to B. So we can, according to the definition, we can write the equation in this way. So here work is the product of force and the displacement of force along with the force line. Here the applied force is F here. So F into the displacement along with force line. Suppose the object was first of all at position A and finally is remaining at position B here. So the along with the displacement along with the force line here is AB. So let us write AB here, and along with AB, suppose the distance after measuring, we have got the value of the distance AB here is S meter. Then we can put the value here, W equals to F into S. Why not? At the value of the displacement along with force line AB equal to S. But this equation of work is for the maximum work. For the weaker student, I can say in this way. Why we will say this is the maximum work? Why not? We have applied the force F on the object P, and the full force, the total force have been spent here to displace the object along with the force line without any deviation of the force line. So we can say the total force here applied, the total force has been converted into work. But in maximum cases, we may not get the full work by applying the force. So in those cases, which will be the equation of the force? So is the equation of the maximum work, we can say. So is the equation of maximum work, we can say in this way, maximum work. How it is possible? So again, suppose we have applied force on an object again. Suppose we have applied force on an object M along with direction AB, but it has been displaced along with AC direction, and have measured the displacement of the object is S meter also here. So here, suppose we have applied the force on object A, M, F force along with the AB direction, but here the displacement of the object has been occurred along with AC direction, creating an angle along with the force direction. So in this case, how will get the value of the work? So as according to the definition, the work means we'll find out by producing the force and the displacement along with the force line. But here the displacement has been occurred with creating an angle along with AC direction. But in this case, if we take the components of the displacement AC along with the AB direction, that means along with the force line, then we will have to draw a normal from point C on the along with force line, that means along with AB direction, AB line. So let us draw a normal. Here suppose normal is AD here, and the angle is theta here. It was the force line. So in this case, I will get the equation of the work. So let us write as according to the definition of work. Work means the product of the force and the displacement of the object along with force line. But here we will get the components of the displacement along with force line, and here the components we can easily see are projection of displacement on the force line is AD here. So now we will write the work. The value of work is W equals to the force and the displacement, or here we will take the components of the displacement along with force line, and here is AD here. Now we will find out the value of AD from the information of this figure. We can easily see here from the triangle ACD, from the triangle ACD, we can easily find out the value of AD. That means the components of displacement along with force line AD. So now here in the right angle triangle ACD, here we need the value of AD. AD here is base and AC is the hypotenuse, and we know the relation between base and hypotenuse is cos theta. So let us write cos theta is base by hypotenuse. Here base is AD and hypotenuse AC, and we need the value of AD here, or AD equal to AC cos theta. And here, as we have selected the value of the displacement AC is S meter, so let us put the value AD equals to S cos theta here. So let us put the value in this main equation, for W equal to F into S cos theta. So this is the main equation of work here. So if the displacement occurred creating an angle with the force line at any direction, then the equation of work is W equal to Fs cos theta here. From here we can see that here S cos theta is the component of displacement on the force line. So we can also write in this way, W equal to F into S cos theta, S cos theta, W equal to S cos theta here. So the force, it means the force from our vector chapter and dot product. You can remember here S means the components of displacement on force or force line. Again, we can also write as here the force and displacement here value. We can also write in this way, displacement into F cos theta. It means the displacement, the value of the product of the displacement and the components of force on the displacement or displacement line. Here we can also do a perpendicular. If we take the in short way, we can also draw a perpendicular on the force line. You have seen from your previous experience from the vector chapter. Then we can get this information. So according to the components law, we can say the force, what means the force and the components of displacement on force direction, or the product of displacement and the component of force along with the line of the displacement. So is the information of the dot product of these two vectors. Here we know the force is a vector quantity and displacement is also a vector quantity, and here F and S are their values. So we can write in this way, W equals to vector F dot vector S. So from this information, students will must remember, we can submit the equation of work with the help of the dot product of force and displacement. Okay, it is very important for both your SSC level, SSC exam, internal exams, first year and second year, and for all admissions. So students will must remember. So we can submit or find out the value of work with the help of the dot product of force and displacement. So for our equation of work, we must remember W equals to Fs cos theta here. And first of all, for this figure number 1, we have said this equation of work is for the maximum work. Maximum work means here the total force applied on that object has been spent here to occur the displacement of the object along with the directly along with the force line. So here is no deviation of the displacement on the force line. So we can say here the total force has been converted into work. So from this equation, next equation, we can also get the information. So first of all, sir, when we can say when we'll get the maximum work, we will get the maximum work when the displacement of the object will occur just along with the force line without any deviation of on the force line. Then only then we can get the maximum work. That means in that cases the total force will convert into work. So from this equation, W equals to F cos theta, if we want to get the maximum work, what should be the angle between force and displacement? So we can say it is possible only then when the displacement of the object will occur just along with the force line. And if here the displacement occurs just along with the force line, then we can see here easily, we can say the angle will must be 0 degree here. So for the maximum work, we can say for the maximum work, for total work, the value of theta will must be 0 degree. So from this equation we can get W equals to Fs cos theta. Let us put the value for the maximum work. From the information we can see here the angle will must be 0 degree. So let us put the value of the angle Fs cos 0 degree here, and the value of cos 0 degree is, we know, the 1. So Fs into 1 equal to Fs is the equation. So from this equation we can get all the informations related to the work. Suppose when the value of the work will be maximum, when the value of the work will be minimum, when the work will be done along with the force direction, and when the work will done in the opposite of the force direction, that means when the work will be positive, when the work will be negative again, and when there will be no work. From this information we can easily discuss about this. So now student will must, so as we have seen this next equation Fs W equals to Fs cos theta, this equation is a complete equation to submit or express about the information of work. So related to this equation, student should submit the definition of the work. So from this equation we can say the definition that if force is applied on an object and if there is displacement of that object, then the product of force and the components of displacement along with the force direction is known as work. So student should submit this definition. It's also okay, no problem. So to express the full information or total information about work, we can submit the definition from this information related to the components of displacement. So if force is applied on an object and if there is displacement of the subject, then the product of force and the component of displacement, this is component of the displacement on the force direction is known as work. So from this equation student will get another information related to works. Again, when all work will be positive, when work will be negative, when work will be done along a force line by the force, or when work will be done against force, when the value of the work will be negative, and when the value of the work will be 0. From this equation student can easily find out the information. So in our next classes we will get this information. So student will must first of all memorize the definition of work, and the main equation of work is W equal to Fs cos theta. So student will must remember this and will practice the mathematical problem related to this equation. Okay, thank you very much, and we will discuss about the application of this equation in our next classes, inshallah. Thank you.